Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a short position on your TradingView chart. If you've ever wondered how traders visually represent a short trade, including your risk and your potential reward, this video has got you covered. By the end, you'll be able to confidently mark up your TradingView charts just like the pros and understand what all those colors and levels really mean. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up TradingView in your browser or on your device. If you haven't used TradingView before, it's one of the most popular charting platforms out there for stock market analysis, options trading, and a whole lot more. Whether you're looking at stocks, forex, or crypto, it's packed with handy tools for traders at every level. Once you're on TradingView, look towards the top of the window and click on Products. If you're not familiar with this tab, no worries. It basically gives you access to all the different tools and features TradingView offers, like charts, screeners, and trading ideas. We want to make sure we're inside the main charting tool for this next part. If you're not already there, just click on Chart from the drop-down to pull up your workspace. Now that you're in your chart, shift your focus over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You'll see a bunch of different icons stacked vertically. These are your drawing tools and indicators. What we're looking for is called the Short Position tool. It might look like a diagonal arrow pointing down with a little bar at the bottom. Sometimes it's a bit hidden, tucked under the Prediction and Measurement Tools section, so don't worry if it's not obvious right away. If you hover over the icons, helpful tooltips will pop up telling you what each one is. Once you spot the Short Position tool, go ahead and click it to activate it. You'll notice your cursor changes, letting you know you're ready to select a spot on the chart. Now comes the fun part, placing your short position on the actual chart. Pick the price level where you're considering entering a short trade and simply click there. This will drop the position box onto your chart. You'll see a colored rectangle with two main sections. Here, where it gets interesting and also a bit educational. The red area represents your potential loss if the trade goes the wrong way. That's your risk zone. The green area, on the other hand, shows your potential profit if the market moves in your favor. Think of it like a traffic light for your trade. Red says caution, this is what you could lose, while green means here's your opportunity for gains. If you've ever felt unsure about how much you're risking versus how much you could make, this visual tool makes it super clear. And don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming at first. These zones can be adjusted. You can click and drag the edges to set your stop loss and take profit levels, tailoring the position box to fit your specific trading plan. This feature is great because it lets you see at a glance whether the reward really outweighs the risk, which is a key skill for any trader. So that's it. It really is as simple as finding the tool and placing it where you want to analyze a potential trade. Don't forget, practicing with these tools, especially on a demo account, can really build your confidence before you trade with real money. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions about using TradingView or want to see more tutorials like this, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future trading tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy charting.